Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to automatically delete your old post on Mastodon and set the timeline that you want your post to be deleted after a specific period of time. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings by clicking the icon in our top right corner. Now we're going to slide down to the boring zone and we're going to select the first option that we have on there that's called account settings. Next, we're going to tap on continue. And when we're here, we're going to tap on the three stripes in our top right corner. And we're going to select automized post deletion. That's the fifth option we have, or the one right above account. So as you can see, in order to do that, we have to select automatically delete all posts, and we're going to add a specific period. For example, we want them to automatically delete them after 1 month. So after we're done, we're going to go on and save the changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!